So, you created your website and now you're ready to go live. I'm Jonathan and I'll be walking you through how to add a hostname to your Umbraco Cloud project. Starting from your Umbraco Cloud project page, click on Settings and Hostnames. This is where you can manage the hostnames for your project. By default, you'll notice that there's already one hostname added. This is yourprojectname.s1.umbraco.io. This hostname is automatically protected by our security certificate provider. In order to add your hostname, click this green button, Add New Hostname, and then put in your hostname. Then go ahead and click the green Add button. Once it's added, you'll find that the status is now initializing, and soon it'll be picked up and get protected. And then you'll have a security certificate for that name as well. In your DNS provider, wherever you get your hosting from, we recommend that you set it up as a CNAME record and point it to dns.umbraco.io. You can also set it up as an A record for one of the following IPs. However, we only recommend doing this when it's not possible to set up a CNAME, as the IPs are subject to change. Now you know how to add a hostname to your Umbraco Cloud project, and now you're ready to go live. Take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Jonathan, out.